Marketing is the way small businesses reach customers and grow. And in 2025, there are 7 popular techniques that have proved effective across the UK and worldwide. Beginning with social media marketing, which is now one of the biggest tools for small firms because platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn allow you to promote your business for free or at low cost. And research shows that more than 70% of UK adults use social media daily. So being active with posts, reels, and ads helps you connect directly with customers. Second is content marketing, which means creating useful content like blogs, videos, or guides that answer questions your customers have. For example, a bakery might post recipes or cake decorating tips, and this builds trust and keeps your brand visible in searches. And companies that use content marketing see about 3 times more leads than those that don't, according to HubSpot data. Third is email marketing, which remains one of the most cost-effective ways to stay in touch, with ROI figures showing that for every £1 spent on email, you can expect an average return of £36. And small businesses can collect emails through websites or shops and send newsletters, discounts, or updates to keep customers loyal. Fourth is search engine optimization, SEO, which means improving your website so it shows up in Google when people search for local services. And with 46% of Google searches being local, small businesses like plumbers, salons, or restaurants can win many new customers by ranking higher with simple steps like keyword use, mobile-friendly sites, and Google Business Profile listings. Fifth is local community marketing, which means promoting your brand through real-world events, sponsorships, or collaborations. For example, sponsoring a local sports team, handing out flyers, or joining business fairs. And this builds visibility and trust within your own town or city. Sixth is influencer and partnership marketing, where small businesses team up with local influencers or other businesses to reach new audiences. Like a coffee shop working with a local Instagram food blogger, or a gym partnering with a sportswear brand. And studies show that 61% of consumers trust influencer recommendations compared to traditional ads, making this powerful for small-scale growth. And seventh is paid advertising, which covers online ads like Google Ads, Facebook ads, or even local radio and newspaper spots. And while it costs money, it can target very specific groups such as people in your postcode or with certain interests, allowing small businesses to compete with larger ones on a smaller budget. And together, these 7 techniques: social media, content, email, SEO, local events, influencer partnerships, and paid ads cover both digital and offline worlds. And they work best when used in combination because a customer might see your ad online, read your blog, receive your email, and then decide to visit your shop. And the evidence is clear that small businesses that actively market themselves grow faster, with UK statistics showing that SMEs that invest in digital marketing are twice as likely to see revenue growth year on year. And the lesson is that marketing is not one time, but a continuous process of staying visible, building trust, and reaching people where they already spend their time.